Well, we don't have to worry about that. We've got the opposite of, we got summer going on, and boy, is it going to be hot. Matter of fact, I think next week is going to get even hotter, and I don't think the humidity is going to go away either. So that means some high heat index values. All right, temperature out there right now is 90. The low this morning, we didn't even get below 80, and the record high for the date is 106. Now, here's some good news. Well, we're not going to hit 106 degrees. There's just no way. It was too humid out there. Here's the bad news, though. It's going to feel like about 105, 106. By the way, that record was set back in 1962. We've got some pretty clouds. It's partly cloudy. Temperatures will continue to warm up. I think we'll hit a high around 99, 100 degrees, somewhere around there. We'll be real close to that. Current reading is at 90. Look at Seguin, though, 92. Hallettsville, 92. Victoria, 92. You know at noon in Victoria when it's 92, you know it's hot. Heat index about 104. Also feels like 104 down to the south. Feels like 99 here. But look at New Braunfels. Feels like about 103 degrees already. We're going to see some pretty good heat index values. Matter of fact, we're right on the verge of a heat advisory. Probably won't be one. There's not one issued today, but probably won't be one tomorrow. But into the week, weekend, and next week, maybe looking at some heat advisories. All right, on the water vapor, look at how nicely the upper level ridge of high pressure looks really nice. You get this big complex of thunderstorms. And then what else is sticking out? You can kind of see a little bit of a spin here in the atmosphere. That's a mid-level, upper level, what we call inverted trough. I think that will bring a few isolated showers to some of our southeastern counties. So the high is not real strong now. That's why high temperatures are around 100 degrees as we head into Thursday. Still not real strong, but watch what happens as we head into the weekend and into next week. That high just gets stronger, and that is bad news because that means a lot of heat as we head into next week and very little chance for any kind of rainfall. That's not what we want to see. All right, we got Tropical Storm Ernesto, winds at 50 miles per hour, kind of elongated. It's got a little shear. Winds out of the west-northwest or moving to the west-northwest at about 18. Should follow to the north and should come very close to the island of Bermuda here in about 4 or 5 days or so. All right, for us, 99 for a high. Could be a few isolated showers down along the coastal plains next couple of days. Heat index values around 106, pretty close to heat advisory. Again, probably not going to be one for tomorrow, but we'll have to watch the end of the week. Mold is light, ragweed is light, pigweed is also light. So here's your 14-day forecast. Tomorrow 100, heat index about the same, 106. And then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, those will be your KENS 5 weather impact alert days because of elevated heat index. Matter of fact, I may actually have to move this over into next week as well. I'm expecting highs around 104 with those heat index values still between 105, 110. So next week is going to be hot, and it doesn't get much better, Jeremy, even through the 24th, 25th, or 26th.